I want y'all to see this. I got a strike this morning. I'll show you over what, if it'll come up again. All right, how do I do this? Let's go back. See, I got a strike. I'm gonna show you over what.
Look what we found sitting back out here in the woods.
This right here.
A one-stack Mac. Oh, it's a twin stick too. See this two sticks right there?
This right here.
And then the other transmission's back here.
It's the name of the truck. I just lived super route. That could have been even worse.
That turbo looks pissed though. Wait. This ain't a Mac. These dude.
White superpower. You know,
Remember Ashley Diesel last time?
I got banned for that
One of these super white power.
for a week, but let's go here. Let's go here. We can have this. We can have that. We can have that. 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 I mean, but we can't
Look what we found sitting back out here.
post about a truck.
A one-stack Mac.
Really, YouTube?
Twin stick too.
Really?
Two sticks right there. And then
Y'all devils. Y'all pick and choose.